It has been almost 6 months and I can't forget it. I see your face when I close my eyes. I hear your voice when I'm walking to school. But how could I have known? You just looked so happy. Always hugging, always kissing, always laughing. I didn't know he was beating you up. No one did. Everyone made fun of you. Everyone said bad things. I didn't want to be different. And now you're gone. There's nothing I can do. He's killed you and I can't tell you that I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the names that I called you. I'm sorry for not seeing that you were being forced to fake your own happiness, to suppress your desperation to be free from him, free from a monster that was hurting you, causing you pain, and you couldn't say anything. I'm sorry it ended like this. I'm so sorry. I'm getting ready for school now. One more day of not seeing you there. People don't talk about it anymore. It has been almost 6 months, and I still can't forget it.